Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of AZ Camera Reviews. Now today I'm going to be talking about a lighting product, and I had a special project that I needed a 6-foot piece of Flxible lighting and a 3-foot piece of Flxible lighting, and I had been talking to a friend and they mentioned this product. Now I want to show you something. These are 2 lights that I put up in my house, and they have the LEDs behind a flexible silicone strip, and I like the way the light transfers through it, so that's why I decided on this product also. So basically what it is I got these 2 products, they're called Smart, and they're by a company called Loycco. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's Loycco, and they make these strips that basically you can hook together. Now I'm going to unbox the 3-foot one first, and then I'll unbox the 6-foot one. And the 6-foot one comes as a kit with a power supply and a remote so that you can control it from your cell phone via an app. So let's just open up this box first. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. And there's a little connection cord, and this is the strip, and there's a little instruction manual. And basically what happens is this strip right here on this side, it has a female side, and this side is a male side, and it comes rolled up like this, and it has a little Velcro. So you undo the Velcro. Okay, if I can undo the Velcro. And then it has on one side, this is the 3-footer, and I know you can't see it all the way across, but on one side it's got a male end, and one side it's got a female end. And what you do is you just take this end, and you see there's a curved side and there's a flat side. This flat side right here has a piece of 3M tape that you can stick it to any surface. So what you do is you just take the curved side of this and the curved side of this, and you just plug them into one another like this. Okay, hang on a second. I want to make sure that I've got them totally mated up properly. My eyes are not that great. And this is what it looks like when they're together. And this is the strip. And like I said, the bottom side of this is an adhesive strip, and the top side, the light comes out. And I'll show you that afterwards. So that's the 3-foot strip box. Now I'm going to open up the 6-foot strip box. So let's take a look at this box that the master unit comes in. This is the front of the box, and this gives the features and the specs, so on and so forth, and this is what the back of the box looks like. And now what let's do is let's just open up the box. I figured I'd do it on close-up, because then that way you can see how things are packaged and what's inside the box. So when you first open up the box, you get your manual, which tells you how to set it up and so on and so forth. And then you have your main strip with your specialized cord, and this fits inside of the box that I'm going to show you here in a second. So this lifts out like this, and then there's this little trapdoor thingy. And inside here you've got your control head, and you've got your power supply. So first I'm going to show you the control head. Now on the bottom of the control head you've got a power input, which this right here will plug directly into. So you've got this in here, and you just plug that into there like so. But I'm just going to take that off right now and put it aside for easily handling it. Now this is an on-off switch right here, and most likely you can use it also to probably change colors or whatever, and I haven't set it up yet, so I really don't know. We'll go into that later. Now, on the end of this 6-foot light strip, there's a specialized cable which fits into this outlet right here. Now you cannot use, let me show you this. This is the connection cable that comes with the 3-footer. You cannot use this with this. The reason being is there's a recessed plug inside there, and I don't think you can see it, but this plug that comes with the 6-foot has this little edge on it, whereas the other one does not. You can see the difference. And like I said, in here there's a small connector, so what you'll do is you'll do the round side. This is all like polarized. There's a round side and a square side, so you plug the round side in and you just plug it in like that, and you're ready to go. So now that your end is plugged in here really snugly, what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your power supply that I showed you earlier. You're going to plug that into the back of this like so. Now, something that I'm going to tell you can do is, as I showed you before, the ends of this, and this is the 6-foot one, you can do one of two things. You can either take the round side of this and the 3-foot cable, and you can, this is the connector that comes with the 3-foot cable. You can plug it in like that, and then what you can do is you can plug in your 3-foot cable. You find the side with the male connector, and like I said, it's polarized. So what you're going to do is you're going to match them up, and my eyes are not that great, and you can plug them in this way, or what you can do is you can unplug this. You can take the male end here and the female end on the other 6-foot cable, and you can just plug them together like this so that they go together end to end like so. Okay, the advantage of doing it this way is it's all one piece, but if you want to do an angle and you want it to make a turn, you can plug your connection cable in like this, then plug your 3-footer into this side like this. Okay, like I said, my eyes are not that great, so it's kind of hard for me to match them up, but I'm doing the best I can here. And there you go. And then what you can do is you can run this at a 90-degree angle. So if you want to follow an angle, you can do that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the app, and I'm going to show you how the strip works. The first thing you want to do is open up the Smart Life app, and then you're going to go to open, and then you'll agree. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a sign up, and you're going to log in, and you're going to connect with your 2.4 gig in-home Wi-Fi. So now everything is all paired up and everything's ready to go. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it on by hitting that, and now you can see that the light is on. And what you can do is you can vary the amount and the intensity of the light just by flipping this up and down. And then what you can do is you can go over to this over here, which is like a little palette, and you can click on that. And then what you can do is you can set this thing for colorful, and what it'll do is it'll change the colors of the lights, as you can see. And then you can set it into a night light mode, which is this one right here, and it says good night. You can switch it over to that. You can also do custom scenes, You can go over and you can do a blue sky. It's endless because there's so many different colored LEDs. There's one that's called sunset. There's another one that's called forest. So they have all these different lighting effects. It's pretty amazing. Let's try this one. It's called Halloween. This one's called Victory Day. See what that's like. Okay, let's go for the wrap-up. So, what do I think of this Loycco lighting system? I think it's great. It has so many different colors, and it's flexible, and like I mentioned, it's got an adhesive back on it, so you can stick it to just about anything, as long as it's a smooth, dry, clean surface. The other thing is the app is really, really awesome. You're able to bring the intensity up and down, which is really great. It's super, super versatile. The one thing is, though, this is not made for outdoor use. This is basically just to be used indoors. So until next time, I'm Jeff. Please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Bye-bye.